Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to fix a Roku camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. So first of all, we will try resetting the camera. For that, you just have to simply press and hold the reset button, which is most probably going to be in the bottom of your camera. So here, after pressing the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds, you just have to wait until the light starts blinking. This very step is going to clear the Wi-Fi settings and allow a fresh connection. Now during the setup, you just have to make sure that you place your camera near the router. Sometimes the weak signal can cause pairing to fail or disconnect midway. Now, when you are putting the Wi-Fi password, just make sure that you double check it. Avoid any extra spaces or any incorrect characters. This is very common mistake, but we tend to avoid it. So make sure that you check the password correctly. Now, you need to understand that most of the Roku cameras work best on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if your phone is connected to 5 gigahertz, make sure that you switch it to 2.4 gigahertz and try the setup again. This is another most common reason for the connection failure. Now, you can also try restarting your Wi-Fi router and then wait for it to fully turn on. Then you can try connecting it again. This step as well going to refresh the network and fixes most of the connection related issues. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.